So yeah, with the whole corona outbreak and everything that's happening around the world, I just thought I would just sit down, just relax my mind a little bit and put some makeup on and yeah, just get my mind off of that topic because I have been really anxious and really scared about the whole thing, and I also pray for everyone that's been affected, and I hope that it goes really quickly and everybody gets healed. Whoever is affected, everybody gets healed. Yeah, I think that's it, and let's get started with the makeup look. Also, if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe, and I'll keep the videos coming as much as I can, and yeah, love you. So I put my hair back and also my face is all primed. By primed I mean just moisturized, and yes, we're gonna start with the primer first. This is the Maybelline Master Prime by Face Studio Primer Base. I'm just gonna take a tiny bit of this, just a little bit, and put it on my face. I love this primer. This minimizes the pores and lines on my face, which is why I love it so much. I'm gonna let that sink in for a second, and I'm gonna start with my eyes first. I'm taking the concealer, L.A Girl Pro Conceal HD Concealer. This is in the shade Creamy Beige. I'm not a big fan of the packaging of this concealer, but I like the formula of it. I'm gonna blend this concealer with this brush. This is the BH Cosmetics Rose Gold line. I can still see a little bit of darkness, so I'm gonna put some more and blend some more. I'm happy with how this looks right now. I'm gonna put some powder on my concealer and set it. I'm using this brush. This is a teeny tiny brush from the same BH Cosmetics Rose Gold range. Oh, I'm taking the Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade medium, and I'm setting my eyes. I think I'm happy with that now. Now we're gonna go with eyeshadow, the most fun part of the makeup. I'm gonna take a fluffy blending brush. I think I'm gonna do a slightly cool toned look. I don't know, let's see. So I'm taking the Chasing Rainbows palette from Colourpop. I'm taking the shade, feeling it. It's a really nice brown shade. Just touching my brush a little bit and tapping the excess and going in to my crease with a really, really light hand. I said I'll do a cool tone look, but now I'm doing this one crease. We'll turn it cool. Yeah, I'm happy with this. And the other eye. I know my crease is looking really warm right now, but we're gonna turn it cool. So I'm gonna go in with a smaller brush, smaller fluffy brush, And I'm taking this palette, the Maybelline City Mini palette, in the shade Chill Brunch Neutrals. I'm gonna take this cool tone shade, this one, and see if we can make this eye look slightly on the cooler side. We'll start building this color up on the outer corner first. Then I'm taking it, as you can see, I'm taking it to my crease. I'm going to take this, the same shade, and do my other eye. I think I'm done with my crease now. Now I'm going to take the Colourpop palette and taking the shade Eclipse, this one, on my fingers. So pretty. And just putting that on my lid. So now I'm gonna blend this, all of the shades together so that they look slightly better. This is the same brush I put that cool tone brown, but there is not much color left in here. So I'm just gonna blend everything. I think I'm happy with how this looks right now. I'll go finish my eyes later after I finish my face. So since we're primed and everything, I'm gonna go in with the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 Foundation Concealer in the shade Sand Beige. I really like this foundation. It stays for a long time. I'm just gonna take a tiny pump first and then blend on my face. Now I'm going to take the concealer again, the same concealer, and put it under my eyes. The bridge of my nose, the chin, and Cupid's bow. So basically I'm highlighting the center of my face. This blends really well, and also it's a very lightweight formula, so you don't feel like it's too heavy on the skin, which is a plus. Yeah, I think I'm happy with this. Now I'm gonna take this Maybelline Fit Me powder again and set my face. Wait, no. Set my under eyes first because I have cream contour. Yep. So I'm going to take the same tiny brush I used to set my eyes with, and I'm taking some powder and just setting my under eyes so that they don't crease. And I'm being very careful to not go over this place because I'm going to put the cream contour on there. I could set my nose, I guess. Now I'm going to take this Nykaa Skin Genius Conceal and Correct palette in the shade Light 1, and I'm going to take this shade and this shade and mix them and just contour my cheeks. I'm going to take this brush, I'm going to take those shades I'm gonna contour my jawline. Now I'm gonna take a tiny bit on my finger and contour my nose. So it's time to set the face with powder. I'm going to take the same Maybelline powder and tap the excess and set it. Now I'm going to take this Nykaa Get Cheeky Blush Duo in the shade Malibu Barbie, and I'm going to take this blush brush and mix both of the shades just a tiny bit and put them on my cheeks. I'm going to take this Makeup Revolution Pro highlighter in the shade, I don't think there's a shade, it's the Pro Illuminate highlighter. I'm just going to take this brush and gently tap it, not too much. I don't want highlighter streaks on my face, just tap it. We're gonna blend it later. On my nose, tiny bit. So now I'm gonna take the blush brush with no extra product and I'm gonna blend the highlighter and the blush so that it looks more natural. I think I'm happy with it. And now I'm gonna take this NYX highlight and contour palette and I'm gonna take a big fluffy brush and I'm gonna take this shade and bronze my face. I'm slightly pinching the brush. I don't want bronzer everywhere. Keep my diamonds blinding. Gotta keep it suave like I'm Sade in the 90s. Bronzing the neck a little bit and taking some more of that shade and bronzing the other side of my face. Keep my diamonds blinding. Gotta keep it suave like I'm Sade in the 90s. No trouble ever stayed long. I'm just gonna take a tiny bit of bronzer and bronze my forehead. I think I'm done with my face. It's time to finish the eyes. Okay, wait, no. I'm gonna do my eyebrows first. So I'm taking this spoolie and brushing my eyebrows. And then I'm taking this angled brush and just taking this almost black shade. It's the prism shade, just touching it, and I'm gonna draw my eyebrows. Now I'm gonna take the same spoolie and brush it again. I haven't gotten my eyebrows done in a long time. But I think I'm done with my eyebrows and what I'm gonna do is finish my eyes. So okay, I've been contemplating doing the eyeliner, but I think I'm gonna do it. I'm scared. So I'm taking the Nykaa Black Magic Liquid Liner and I'm gonna try to draw a wing. It wasn't supposed to be this thick. Well, I'm gonna try and match the other eye. After 5 hours, my eyeliner still don't look even remotely similar. Anyway, I'm gonna take this Sugar Cosmetics Kohl of Honor Intense Kajal in the shade Blackout. I'm gonna take this and line my upper waterline. I'm gonna take this and put it on my lower lash line. Waterline? I'm not sure. Now, I'm gonna take this brush. It's a flat kind of brush. So I'm gonna take this Maybelline City Mini palette and take the same cool tone shade and just coat my brush with it and just put it as close to my lashes as I can. So now that I'm done smoking my lower lash line, I'm gonna take the same palette and take maybe this one. I'm gonna take this tiny brush and take this shade and just put it in my inner corners. That didn't work. See, I told you, this palette is hit and miss. I'm gonna take the Colourpop palette and I'm gonna take this shade, but just a touch of it, and I'm gonna put it in my inner corners and hopefully this would work. So now I'm gonna curl my lashes and I'm gonna take this L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara and coat my lashes with it. I'm finally done with my eyes. Now lipstick time. So honestly, when I started doing this eye look, I didn't imagine it to be so smoky and dark. So I picked this lipstick, but you can use a nude if you want, if it's too much for you. But I really want to try this lipstick, so I'm gonna put it on. This is the Sugar Matte as Hell Crayon Lipstick in the shade Poison Ivy. My lips are really dry and chapped right now, so this does not look the best. And this turned out to be a really fall, wintry, dark, dingy look, but I still love it. And yeah, I think that completes this makeup look.